If you want to start losing weight but don't know where to begin, here are 3 simple steps that you can actually stick to without overhauling your life. So let's start with the first one. Step 1, get your calories under control. If you're overweight, the reality is that you're eating too much. And that was the case for me. It just came down to too much food. Now, in the past, whenever I tried to lose weight, I would usually go on those extreme diets that would force me to eat differently than I would normally eat. And because of that, it made it very difficult to stick to long term. So here's what I learned. You don't need to do that. You don't need to go on some extreme diet to lose weight or completely change the way that you normally eat. Changing our habits around food, what and how we eat takes time. We didn't gain our weight overnight, and we're not going to lose it overnight either. So instead, work with what you actually eat. And to do that, work with these things: elimination, substitution, and portion control. Elimination is looking for things that you eat during the day that you can cut out completely. Things that you might not miss or that tempt you, things that you might be reaching for that you might be eating too much of. For example, I love peanut butter, but I can't keep it in the house. Every time I walk by the fridge, I will take a spoonful of it. And that's a lot of calories that I'm taking in throughout the day. So I needed to eliminate it. And the best way to do that was just to keep it out of the house. For substitutions, look for things that you eat throughout the day that you want to keep, but that maybe you can swap for something with lower calories. And drinks are a big one. If you're drinking full-calorie soda, maybe you could swap it out with something with less calories. And the same with snacks. Check your snacks. If they have a lot of extra calories, see if you could substitute them with something with less. And then there's portion control. Just start by looking at how much food you're putting on your plate, and then see if you could trim it back a bit. And you don't even have to do this right away for all your meals. You can just pick one to start, and then build toward other meals over time. And if you're going out to eat or you're doing takeout, just try to think about ways to start ordering less food. Also, I did a full video on portion control. If you want more information on this, I'll put a link in the description below. And step 2, start moving more. Once you start getting your calories under control, you want to start thinking about how you could move more. And if you've been sedentary and you haven't really exercised, you want to keep it simple. You don't need a gym, you don't need the perfect program, you just need to find ways to start moving a little bit more. Those are your first steps. And the best thing I recommend to people is to start walking. Just start taking short walks here and there. Start taking the stairs more. Try to park further away from the building. Or just get up and move if you've been sitting too long. If you haven't been exercising, this will start making a big difference in your life. A lot of people think that you need some intense or really frequent routine to get started, but if you're just starting out and you've never really exercised, walking is a great way to start. Now, I'm a big believer that as we get older, we need to be doing some form of strength training because as we age, we're losing muscle and strength. But if you're new to exercise, walking is a great way to get started. And if you do it regularly, you'll start building a discipline around exercise that you could build off of later. So if down the road you choose to add some strength training or some other type of activity, that's something you could do. But right now, the focus is to get you started. And one important thing to keep in mind, get your calories under control first and your exercise second. Exercise will not beat diet. And that's where a lot of people get frustrated. They go to the gym, they do cardio, they do all this activity, and they feel, oh, I could go eat whatever I want. But in reality, that workout burned maybe 200 or 300 calories, which is like the equivalent of like 3 cookies or a slice of pizza. So nutrition first, that's the foundation. And I see this all the time. People say, oh, I'm too tired to exercise. But a lot of times they're too tired because they don't move enough. And I found that when you start moving overall, you'll feel better, you'll have more energy, you'll sleep better. And even on those days when you don't feel like it, once you get moving, you tend to feel better afterwards. And finally, step 3, change how you see yourself. This is the part that most people skip, and it was one of the main reasons that caused me to keep starting over. You have to start thinking about yourself differently. I used to think of myself as like a big, heavy guy who had to go on a diet. But once I changed my mindset and started thinking of myself as being fitter, leaner, more active, somebody trying to take care of my health as I get older, things started to get easier. Instead of saying things like, oh, I have to diet, I hate dieting, say, you know what, I'm shifting my eating so I could take care of myself better. Because if you're still viewing yourself as someone who just struggles with weight, has to be on a diet, or always messes up and falls off track, usually those actions will start to follow. So start framing these thoughts in a more positive way. And when you start thinking that way, your actions start lining up with that. And it also helps steps 1 and 2 work better. So if you're trying to figure out where to start, keep it simple. Get your calories under control, start moving more, and think about yourself differently. Become one of those people that actually makes the change. Start there and build from it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what I had to say, click the like button, subscribe, remember to stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.